and welcome back to another L and N Autocare video. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning this rather disgusting MGZR door card. As you can see, the car's been standing for quite some time in the garage. One of the windows is slightly left open, and if you saw one of my other videos, you know that the boot floor has a rather large hole inside of it. It's amazing how much rubbish you collect from down in your door card. This was just from the driver's side. So for this cleaning, I'm going to be using a brush, an Auto Finesse's Verso, diluted to 20 to 1. What I like to do is load up the brush ready for it, spray a little bit on the door, and then just start working in a circular motion, agitating into all the pores to help remove all the dirt and grime and dust and everything that's accumulated over the time. I find this method the best, as I always use it. Now all you want to do is wipe off all that all-purpose cleaner, and you can see the difference already just by using that. Look at the difference, just incredible. Just one pass with the all-purpose cleaner and a brush, and that's all you need. Quite the difference, I think you'd agree. So for the next bit, I'm just going to speed it up a bit. If anybody's wondering what that is I'm cleaning by there now, it's called a window winder. It's what old shitboxes used to have in the days before electric windows. Mind you, this card, some models did come with electric windows, but yeah, as you can see, this one didn't. So yeah, you can see the difference there. I've gone over the entire door with the all-purpose cleaner and a brush and a microfiber. No fancy gadgets, nice cheap stuff, or nice cheap equipment I should say. And yeah, you get a good result every single time. I've never failed to have a bad result doing the cleaning this way. Now this is one thing that I always notice that a lot of detailers and content creators seem to miss out, and that is the bottom of the door card. Granted, some cars don't have it protruding as bad as this, but as you can see, this door card hasn't been cleaned in quite a while. You can see the amount of grime and dirt will come off now when I wipe it over with a microfiber. It is absolutely shocking. And this is just one of those little tiny things that help towards keeping customers and impressing customers. And how long does it take? A couple of minutes, as you can see here now. And voila, fully cleaned or prepped door card, ready for the next step. Look at that, absolutely disgusting. I was quite ashamed of how much dirt came off that. Next step is a detailer. As you can see, I have quite a few of them, so just pick your favourite. For this video, I'm going to be using the Halfords Interior Quick Detailer. It has a pleasant smell, leaves a nice matte finish, and overall it is a good quality product. It's easy to apply, just spray it onto microfiber, wipe over the door card, or whatever surface you're cleaning, and jobs are good one, as they say. As you can see, what a transformation. Absolutely caked in dirt, grime, mould, dust, and God knows what else. And now it's nice, clean, got a fantastic finish on it. Don't worry too much about the cloth parts being wet, that will dry over time. And the next part I thought I'd chuck in as a bonus step was the window. As you can see, this one hasn't been cleaned in quite some time. For this, I'm going to be using Auto Finesse's Crystal Glass Cleaner. It is one of my favourites. It is extremely easy to use, and more importantly, it has quite a nice pleasant smell. A couple of sprays on the glass, one spray on the cloth just to prime it ready, or that's what I like to do anyways, and just wipe it over. And you can see the difference already. And that was just the inside of the glass. Now, a nice little simple step I've seen a lot of people missing out, and that is to just drop the glass. A lot of people tend to forget that the top edge is there, and it's just as dirty as the rest of the glass because it's hidden inside the rubbers. And look at that, you can see the difference already. And it's just one of those things, yet again, that the customer will appreciate, and it doesn't take too long out of your time. So obviously the next step now is the outside of the glass. The only thing I'll notice now as I'm editing this video and doing the vocal track is where my partner's arbor wheel is, where the window has gone back down into the door. Obviously it's caught on the rubber and it's a bit wet, so don't forget to re-clean the bottom of the glass. And there you have it. One clean door card, 3 products, well 2 products for the door card, 1 for the glass. How simple was that? 2 microfibers, 1 brush. You can't get less products and equipment used than that, I'm sure of it. And it's just a great result. Granted, the door card is a bit disgusting anyways, and there we are. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you on the next one.